Ever imagine turning your garage into a high-tech production hub? Welcome to the world of 3D printing, a game changer for home businesses. Once a distant dream, 3D printing technology has leapt from industrial applications to your very doorstep. With the ability to craft everything from bespoke jewelry to custom tools, this innovation allows small-scale entrepreneurs to transform ideas into tangible products right from their homes. Affordable, versatile, and increasingly user-friendly, 3D printers are reshaping the entrepreneurial landscape. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 3D printers that could revolutionize your home business. First up, the cost-effective Creator 3D, a wallet-friendly option with impressive capabilities. When diving into the bustling world of 3D printing, particularly for a home business, the initial investment can sometimes be daunting. This is where the cost-effective Creator 3D shines, offering a solution that balances cost and functionality beautifully. Let's talk affordability. The cost-effective Creator 3D comes in at a price point that's hard to beat, making it a perfect entry-level printer for those just starting out or operating on a tight budget. This isn't just about the price of purchase, it's also about running costs. The machine is designed to be energy efficient and uses less expensive filaments compared to its high-end counterparts, ensuring that your ongoing expenses are kept to a minimum. Ease of use is another significant advantage. This model boasts a user-friendly interface that simplifies the learning curve for beginners. With clear instructions and a supportive community available online, troubleshooting becomes less of a hassle. The setup process is straightforward, meaning you can go from unboxing to printing in no time. However, every rose has its thorn. The cost-effective Creator 3D, while cost-effective and user-friendly, does have its limitations. One of the main drawbacks is the slower print speed. This means that production can be less efficient, especially if you're planning to scale up operations. Additionally, the printer has limited material compatibility, which might restrict the variety of products you can create. This could be a significant factor to consider if your business aims to explore innovative and diverse printing projects. Despite these cons, the pros of the cost-effective Creator 3D make it a compelling choice for newcomers. Its affordability and simplicity offer a gentle introduction to the world of 3D printing, allowing you to experiment and learn without a hefty financial commitment. A fantastic starter option, the cost-effective Creator 3D allows you to explore 3D printing without breaking the bank. Next, meet the VersaPrint V2, known for its adaptability across various materials. When it comes to the world of 3D printing, versatility is often the key to unlocking a plethora of creative possibilities. The VersaPrint V2 is a shining example of such versatility. This machine isn't just any 3D printer, it's a chameleon in the world of digital fabrication. One of the standout features of the VersaPrint V2 is its ability to switch between materials seamlessly. Imagine transitioning from printing a delicate jewelry piece in resin to creating a durable metal tool component without skipping a beat. This is possible thanks to the machine's advanced material handling system, which is designed to accommodate a wide range of filaments and metals, making it an invaluable asset for those who require diversity in their projects. The pros of the VersaPrint V2 are quite compelling. Firstly, the quality of the prints it produces is second to none. Each layer is laid down with precision, resulting in products that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, the versatility of this printer means it can be used for a myriad of applications, from prototype development to final product manufacturing, providing an excellent return on investment. However, with great capability comes greater responsibility. The VersaPrint V2 demands a bit more in terms of maintenance. Regular upkeep is essential to ensure it operates at peak performance, especially when frequently switching materials. Moreover, the initial cost can be a hurdle for some. Quality and versatility in 3D printing do come at a price, and the VersaPrint V2 is on the higher end of the spectrum. Despite these considerations, the benefits of owning a VersaPrint V2 are undeniable. For those who value flexibility in their creative ventures, the VersaPrint V2 stands out as a top contender. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established maker, This printer could very well be the tool that transforms your ideas into reality. Speed is the name of the game with our third contender, the Rapid Pro 3D. In a world where time equates to productivity and productivity translates to profit, the Rapid Pro 3D stands out as a paragon of efficiency. This machine is not just fast, it's designed to keep your home business a step ahead in the competitive market of rapid manufacturing. Let's dive into what makes the Rapid Pro 3D a true speed demon. Firstly, the printer operates at an astonishing pace, capable of completing complex prints in a fraction of the time it takes conventional models. Imagine slicing the production time by half. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that need to scale up their production without compromising on quality. Speaking of quality, the Rapid Pro 3D doesn't just sprint, it sprints with precision. Advanced technology integrated into this printer ensures that each layer is deposited with meticulous accuracy, resulting in products that are not only produced quickly, but are also of high caliber. This precision is vital for businesses that cater to markets requiring intricate and detailed designs. However, every rose has its thorn. With the Rapid Pro 3D, the cons are primarily the higher electricity consumption and increased noise levels. The energy needed to maintain such rapid speeds means your utility bills might see a noticeable uptick. Additionally, the operational noise can be a bit much, especially if your workspace is in a shared environment or at home where peace is prized. Despite these drawbacks, the benefits of incorporating a Rapid Pro 3D into your home business could significantly outweigh the cons. The ability to turn around large orders quickly or make last-minute design changes without causing delays can be a game changer. If time is money in your business, the Rapid Pro 3D could be your best investment. The sheer speed and efficiency it brings to the table are invaluable, making it a formidable tool in any entrepreneur's arsenal. If you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us bring more content like this. For those who deal in details, the Precision Craft 3D is a dream come true. This machine is the epitome of precision in the realm of 3D printing, catering especially to those who require the utmost detail in their creations. Let's dive into the world of the Precision Craft 3D, a machine that stands out for its ability to produce intricately detailed objects with an impressive degree of accuracy. Designed for perfectionists, this printer utilizes advanced technology to ensure every layer is applied with the highest resolution. This is particularly vital for industries such as jewelry design, dental prosthetics, and miniature modeling, where every micron counts. One of the significant advantages of the Precision Craft 3D is its superior resolution. With the capability to print layers as thin as 25 microns, the level of detail it can achieve is simply astounding. This makes it a perfect tool for creating complex and delicate designs that other printers might struggle with. Furthermore, its consistency in print quality ensures that each print is as good as the last, providing reliability that is crucial for any business relying on repeat production. Last but not least, the DuraPrint 3DX, the powerhouse of durability and volume. Built to withstand the rigors of high-volume printing, this machine is a true champion for those who demand endurance in their equipment. The DuraPrint 3DX comes encased in a robust frame that promises to handle continuous use without a hitch, making it ideal for a home business that operates around the clock. The standout feature of the DuraPrint 3DX is undoubtedly its durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's designed to last, and its components are engineered to minimize wear and tear. This is a printer that won't falter when the going gets tough, ensuring that your business can keep running smoothly no matter the workload. Efficiency is another key advantage. The DuraPrint 3DX operates with a precision that maximizes material usage and minimizes waste, which is crucial when keeping costs down, is as important as maintaining quality. Its ability to churn out products consistently at high speed without sacrificing detail is nothing short of impressive. However, every rose has its thorn. The DuraPrint 3DX has a considerable physical footprint, requiring a dedicated space large enough to accommodate it. Additionally, the setup isn't exactly plug-and-play. Expect to invest some time in learning the ropes, which might initially slow things down. When your business requires a steady, reliable printing companion, the DuraPrint 3DX stands ready to deliver. Choosing the right 3D printer could set your home business on a path to success. Whether it's the budget-friendly capabilities of the Beast, the versatile applications of the Visionary, the rapid output of the Speed Demon, the intricate details achievable with the King, or the enduring reliability of the Workhorse, each printer has unique features to cater to various business needs. Evaluate what fits your projects best. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share to support our channel. Catch you in the next video where we unlock more business potential.